Hello everyone, welcome to your first Python lesson with Herfirstlineofcode, aka She Codes. Today we're going to learn how Python understands different types of information. Make sure, by the way, this lesson is short, so make sure you follow along and actually try this out yourself. First of all, what is Python? Python is a programming language. Just like we use languages to communicate with people, we use programming languages to communicate instructions to computers. Today we're going to start learning how Python understands information. So this is my screen, and first thing we do is we open either Safari or Chrome. Open the Programming's online Python compiler. Make sure the code editor is visible. Then we delete everything inside the code editor. So this is my screen. I already have the Programming's Python compiler open on my Chrome browser. I'm going to click on Chrome, then on the screen. So we are in our compiler, our Programming's compiler. A compiler helps the computer translate the code you write into something you can understand, into machine language. So delete everything inside. I meant to use the keyboard, but the keyboard didn't connect to the tab, so I just have to use my hand. Please try to manage with me, because man is small. Then we are going to write in print hello world. So this is basic term in Python. This is the first line of code actually print. They actually tried when I started learning programming. So hello world. We use print brackets, then quotation mark inside, then we put our text so what the hello world and any other thing we put inside the bracket depending on the object. And that's basically what we are learning today. Objects. Yeah. So we have an error here because we didn't put the bracket at the other side. My bad. We are meant to put a bracket at the beginning and a bracket at the end, then quotation mark at the beginning and also at the end. Let's learn a new word. Objects. In Python, the different pieces of information we work with are called objects. The number 7 is an object, hello is an object, decimal 2.14 is an object, also tree is an object, but these objects are different from each other. Python needs to know what kind of information each object contains. That's why we have data types. Integer, the first data type is an integer written as int, and integer is a whole number. We are going to print an integer. The first thing we do is write print. We open the brackets inside and write the number, and it gives us our output when we press run. Second one is float. Floats are decimal numbers that have decimal points. If it's a number that contains the decimal points, we have example 0.75, 2.14. To print a float, we open the bracket. After writing print with small letter P, we open the bracket, then write our decimal number without quotation mark. Just print the bracket, the decimal number, and the brackets. The third data type we have on our list is string, written as str. We usually put string inside quotation mark, and these are examples. So basically, a string is a text. To print a string, you write print as usual, but yeah, still small letter P, print, open a bracket, place the quotation mark, then we write our text inside the quotation mark. So this is basically it. The last data type we are learning today is boolean, written as bool. The boolean can only have two values, true or false. To print a boolean, write print, open a bracket, Recap time. Today we learned different data types, 4 data types: int, which means whole number, and an example of int, and float, which means the decimal number, example 3.14, string, text, hello, bool, true or false, example true. Right now, this is your challenge. You're going to print your name. Remember, your name is a string, so it requires quotation marks. Then you're going to print your age. Your age is an integer. You're going to print a float, any decimal number of your choice. Then you're going to print a boolean value, either true or false. Congratulations! You have completed your first Python lesson. Today you learned that Python works with different types of information called